Hello everyone, welcome to Peacock Way. In this project, I'm going to be using watercolor book and then this card from Sarah Renee Clark, and that is 119. So I'm going to use that card and the colors from that. So I'm using this King Art watercolor paints. I bought this recently, so I wanted to play with it. So I'm going to use those colors from that card, about three or four colors from that. Then I'm going to add that in this book. So I'm blending it with the other color. And I'm going to spread it out. I'm using water and blending it. Now I am adding third color, which is a little darker. Then I'm now adding the other kind of a blue. Then I'm adding water each time and then I'm going to blend it. Now I'm going to dry this. Now I'm going to dab little bit and take out the excess paint. I see that even with the paper towel, it is still making like a background texture. Now I'm going to use this Amsterdam acrylic paint with that is like a gold color, and I'm going to use this crafters workshop stencil, and I'm going to take the gold paint and use that in this project. So that gives nice shine in the background. Then I'm going to look for a different stencil. And then I'm going to add this. Before I add that, I'm going to dry it. Because it's acrylic paint, it can smudge. So I have to dry that first. And then I'm using this dotted stencil. I'm adding same golden paint in this. Now I'm going to dry this. Then I'm going to use another stencil. Now I'm going to use white acrylic paint. Now I'm going to use this black pen and I'm going to outline it. Now I'm thinking what else to do next. So I'm going to use this Posca pen and do some more mark making. I had to stop there. I didn't want to do more. It keeps on going otherwise. So now I'm going to dry it and stop here. Then I'm still adding these dots using the Posca pen. So I think I'm done here. I'm still thinking whether I should stop here or I had to keep going. So I'm still thinking what else I can do with this. So I'm using some dark green. It's more like a glitter pen, and then I'm going to do some more of these doodling. Like I said, I think it's never ending kind of a doodling, like you keep on going and you keep on getting more ideas. So I'm sure I'm going to stop right now and finish this project. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.